Welcome to the Padhai Karlo JEE preparation channel. Ulocraphia lacking Michelle of Mercury Quampertharo, Philofojujujuju, Philadelphian Fieniantinitine Pisorakhae. Practice more problems on this exact topic on our Padhai Karlo Android app, link in below, or on our website pacom. Today's topic is oxidation and reduction, the foundational concepts that unify a huge share or all chemical reactions. Let's begin. The genuinely classical historical definition describes oxidation of oxygen, or the removal of oxygen, or the removal, or hydrogen from a substance, while reduction is genuinely the exact opposite, the addition or hydrogen, or the removal of oxygen. This original definition worked well for combustion and simple inorganic reactions, but genuinely proved too limited for reactions without oxygen or hydrogen at all. The modern, genuinely more powerful electronic definition instead describes oxidation as the loss of electrons by a species, as the gain of electrons. A useful memory aid is the phrase OIL-RIG, oxidation is loss, reduction is gain, and this electronic view genuinely explains why oxidation and reduction must always occur together in the exact same reaction, since electrons lost by one species must genuinely be gained by another. This paired process is exactly why it's called a redox reaction. The oxidation number or oxidation state is genuinely a bookkeeping charge assigned to an atom, based on the assumption that every bond is completely ionic, with shed electrons assigned entirely to the more electronegative atom in that bond. Using this consistent tool, oxidation is genuinely redefined as an increase in oxidation number, and reduction as a decrease in oxidation number. This modern approach genuinely handles compounds and complicated organic reaction more reliably than trying to track literal electron transfer directly. A few genuinely essential rules for assigning oxidation numbers. The oxidation number of any free element is always 0. The oxidation number of a simple monatomic ion equals its actual ionic charge. Oxygen is normally -2 except in peroxides where it's -1, and hydrogen is normally +1 except in metal hydrides where it's -1. The single most frequently tested JEE skill is genuinely identifying the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent in a given redox reaction. The oxidizing agent is the species that gets reduced itself, gaining electrons and causing something else to be oxidized, while the reducing agent is the species that gets oxidized itself, losing electrons, and causing something else to be reduced. This naming convention genuinely confuses many students at first, since the agent's own name describes what it causes, not what happens to it. A frequently tested trap involves disproportionation reactions, where the exact same element, in a single intermediate oxidation state, is genuinely simultaneously oxidized and reduced in the same reaction. Some atoms or that element go up in oxidation number, while other atoms or that same element go down. A classic example being the reaction of chlorine gas with cold dilute sodium hydroxide. Also remember to always assign oxidation numbers to every single atom systematically before attempting to identify which specific species is oxidized and which is reduced. Guessing directly from molecular formulas alone leads to frequent errors. Let's recap. Oxidation is the loss of electrons and an increase in oxidation number, while reduction is the gain of electrons and a decrease in oxidation number, remembered by OIL-RIG. Oxidation numbers act as a consistent bookkeeping tool, following systematic rules, for identifying both the oxidizing agent, which itself gets reduced, and the reducing agent, which itself gets oxidized. Watch for disproportionation reactions, where a single element is simultaneously both oxidized and reduced. That's oxidation and reduction. Keep the OIL-RIG mnemonic and the systematic oxidation number rules sharp. They're the foundation for the entire redox reactions chapter. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Padhai Karlo for more JEE preparation content just like this. See you in the next one.